Hey, I'm Ross Anderson, and we're here at Finning Surrey campus to talk about the new next generation compact wheel loaders. I am here with the 906, compact little beast. I want to talk about some of its key features today. So you know what? Let's start in the engine bay and talk about everything that's going on here. So as you can see here, we now have the new Cat C2.8 engine in this machine, which is newly in this next generation machine. These machines offer the same 74 horsepower engine with 13% more torque than what was previously in these machines. So you're getting much more power out of this engine. We've created a new engine compartment here for easier serviceability. We got service lights, so if you're servicing in the morning or the afternoon to check out your PM service, you're gonna have full visibility here. We've got a brand new reversing fan on here, which can be programmed from the cab and via switch and on a timer. So all great options when you're working in those very dusty environments. So really key features about these machines here. Very easily serviceable. All our access points are right here from the ground level, so we're not having to climb on anything to get in here. This is a great new design from Caterpillar with a very powerful little engine. So while we're talking about the powertrain, let's talk about all the other key features of this engine. This new C2.8 engine is Tier 4 final, is Stage 5 EU compliant, so it has really high regulation emissions, so it's a really great little machine for that. Fuel tank capacities. We've increased the fuel tank capacities. On this 906, you're looking at 30% more fuel capacity. On the 908, you're looking at 12% more fuel capacity. Think about what that's gonna do for our cycle times, right? So all this is built into this compact machine, much like we're getting on our larger wheel loaders. Really great features. As we move forward on this machine, let's talk about some of our new structure and hydraulic upgrades. So I want to talk about the loader arms. We've got sensors on here. We've got programmable kickouts. This is first in size feature for the Cat compact wheel loaders. Having these sensors built into the loader arms gives us the ability to be able to change the settings on our kickouts to reduce shock, vibrations, and pressure on the machine, on the operator, and on the cab. Really great features to have, and this is what's coming down the line from our larger wheel loaders into our compact line. Newly redesigned coupler. We've created a new coupler here with better visibility to give you more accessible views while looking to load up your attachments. We've heard issues about that before. Cat engineers have gone to work to find solutions to that to make it easier for operators to be able to hook up to their attachments. All your hydraulic lines are coming here to an advantage point right in front of the wheel to give easy access to be able to hook up all those different attachments as well. We have a single arm hydraulic here, so it's also creating better visibility on the machine. We want to make sure safety is a priority when we're on the job sites, and having better visibility for our coupler through the windshield and over our hydraulics here is really creating an operator performance solution that we've been able to move from our larger wheel loaders down into our smaller wheel loaders. Also, this coupler, skid steer style coupler. You can use all your skid steer attachments. They can interchange between your skid steers, your compact track loaders, and your compact wheel loaders. This provides so much versatility on a job site to be able to use so many different tools to do so much more work. So let's jump back to those kickouts again, first in class on this size machine. So that is also going to give you the ability to be able to save 20% on your cutting edges, right? That is a huge savings to an operator and to a company. So really great feature to be able to make sure that what we're building in these machines is going to basically translate to how we're operating, how we're being cost effective, and how we're being more productive on our job sites. When we talk about the hydraulics again, what we're going to talk about is a standard component implement valve. These are going to be standard on our compact wheel loaders. This is going to give the operator the ability to be able to simultaneously control the implement speed and the work tool at the same time. An amazing new feature in these compact wheel loaders, really giving versatility and feature-packed options. As we move back here, we have an all new redesigned lighting package, all LED, all high functioning, front, cab, and the rear, right? Giving way more lighting to your job sites so we can continue to work in safe environments and be productive. We're in North America. We have low light at times, so we want to make sure our operators are safe and can keep working when it's dark. Now we could talk about enhanced operator experience. right? A couple of the key features that we have are going to be the new front and rear windshields, right? One piece glass from 3 to 1, right? Giving way more visibility. That's also being able to increase 60% of your wiper coverage. It rains, we're in the Pacific Northwest. We want to make sure that we can continue to see as we're operating. So having 60% more wiper coverage is a huge factor in this. We've also looked at the mirrors, right? Again, safety is a huge priority on our job sites. So when we're operating these machines, we also want to know what's behind us. So having our mirrors gives us way more visibility. We've made them bigger, we've put on the secondary mirror, and on top of that, we've also now including optional front and rear cameras. So these are huge features on these compact wheel loaders. Feature packed, feature packed. Sealed and pressurized cab. We all work in dusty environments on construction sites. Having that sealed and pressurized cab is key to making sure the machine stays clean, the machine has longevity of life, the operator is in a comfortable environment that they continue to work in every single day. We have doors on both sides creating ease of access, ingress, egress, making it very easy for our operators to get in and out. Let's dive in and take a look at this enhanced operator comfort cab on the new compact wheel loaders. Firstly, you can see how easy it was to get into the machine. Big wide door, nice step, and really accessible handles, making it safe for the operators to get in and out. New 3-inch high-vis seatbelt. It's key. We want to be safe on job sites. This gives everyone the ability to know that the operator is wearing his seatbelt. Now let's talk about this cab. Seat mounted controls. First in class. This gives the operator the ability to not have to be constantly moving their hand in and around the cab to be able to use all the implements on the machine and all the work tools. Operator fatigue is huge, and this is going to help with that. Having all the operator controls here is very standard now. It's a great way to tie into our new next-gen monitor. This new next-gen monitor gives our operators the ability to change auto idle shutdown, implement control, hydraulic pressures, hydraulic speeds, sensitivity in your joystick, sensitivity throughout the machine, and giving that operator the comfort and experience they really want to be able to use these machines all day, every day, and get maximum productivity out of it. Now, we've gone one step further in these next gen compact wheel loaders. Like the big ones, we have an array of seat options, right? You can go from a deluxe seat with air and heat all the way down to a plain vinyl seat, depending on the conditions you're working in. So we'll really be able to make it options specific to what operators need. Again, I talked about visibility. This machine is amazing. I have full visibility everywhere I look, making sure I can operate this machine safely and effectively all day. Bluetooth radio, fantastic little feature. Air conditioning, amazing. It gets hot out here. We want to make sure operators are comfortable. More leg room, right? We have created an environment here that's going to be key for an operator to be able to sit in here, run it as much as they want, be comfortable, get out at the end of the day, and feel like they haven't been slogging it out like they have in some of the other machines that might have been out there on the markets. All right, that's a good overview of this cab, and I was comfortable sitting in here, let me tell you. So as I'm gonna get out again, safety first, right? We've got great handholds here, easy to get in and out of the machine. So that's an overview of the compact wheel loader 906. So the best part about this is our next generation compact wheel loaders. The lineup is the 906, the 907, and the 908. These compact wheel loaders offer simple, intuitive controls, feature-packed options, and an all-round better drive experience. If you want to learn more about these machines, you want to demo one or get some pricing, come into our local branch, contact your local sales rep, or visit us online at finning.com.